eBay's barcode scanning feature makes listing items and checking prices incredibly simple. Let's explore how this powerful tool works step by step. Starting from the eBay app's main interface, you have quick access to all the tools you need for buying and selling. To access the barcode scanner, you can tap the camera icon or select the Sell button, then choose Scan Barcode from the options. Position the barcode within the scanning frame. The app uses advanced recognition technology to automatically identify the product within seconds. Once scanned, the app instantly identifies the product and pulls comprehensive data from eBay's extensive catalog containing over 1 billion product listings. The app provides real-time market intelligence, including average sold prices from the last 90 days, current active listings, price trends, and suggested starting bids to help you make informed pricing decisions. This comprehensive scanning system transforms a simple barcode into a complete listing with market intelligence, making selling on eBay faster and more profitable than ever before. Barcode scanning on eBay delivers significant benefits for sellers today. The most immediate advantage is time savings, with listing creation becoming up to 60% faster compared to manual entry. Beyond speed, barcode scanning dramatically improves pricing accuracy. Sellers gain access to real-time market data, leading to better pricing decisions and improved profit margins. Looking toward the future, eBay is developing exciting new technologies to enhance the scanning experience. Augmented reality will help assess item conditions, while voice commands will make scanning even more intuitive. Additional future enhancements include multi-item scanning for batch processing, expanded international barcode support, and third-party API integration for professional selling tools.